जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे मालिक. With the blessings of Guruji Maharaj, today I am going to read page number 14 to 50 of Guruji Mahagranth Divya Abha. Page number 14. Satsang, the company of truth. A satsang speaks from the heart of truth. It is the truth rendered in words and it has the wonderful potency to lift its hearers or readers above their mind stream. The satsang is a devotional tool, one that has a long and revered standing in the religious tradition of this country. A satsang occurs when a group of people talk, or in this case, write about their experience in faith. Through natural sympathetic listening or reading, it draws its audience into the circle of faith. As an electron carries an electric charge, a satsang carries a charge of faith. These satsangs are for those standing on the edge of skepticism and faith. Each satsang, as we have learned from Guruji, blesses both the reader and the writer. Each one offers a turning point in the life of an individual, as distressed as you are. Each also offers a continuation, a reaffirmation, a moment of faith. For in Guruji's presence, we are in the presence of Him whose light is more radiant than the instantaneous luminance of all the suns in the universe, and each puts the sword to doubt which walks so many times, arm in arm with faith. Doubt and faith both inhabit our world of contradiction and centuriness. Satsang put the doubt the sword. Each of these true life stories shows how the spirit of man rises up to calm its innate faith. We call that faith Guruji, others have called him by different names, all as dear, as loving as him. The satsangs offer you who are wondering whether to take the leap of faith, a springboard. Listen to them and dive headlong. The divine holds you in his arms. All these stories, innumerable devotees scattered all over the country, are miracles. But is a miracle? It is the movement of faith in hearts. It is first and foremost a miracle of love, and only then an evidence of the supernatural in our natural affairs. So the characters of these stories, Guruji's innumerable devotees, are writing of experiences that found them overwhelmed, overcrowded, that made them vulnerable and defenseless, that stretched their faith, that tested their spirit, that showed the chinks in their armor, that made them strong, courageous, enduring, and hopeful. They are reporting experience of being carried away by a divine current. They are talking about the light they saw in the dark night. These satsangs are our true companions, for they carry the Guru's word, and adherence to his words paramount, for the word is the Guru. The satsang carry the energy of Guruji. They not only recount how his divine will saved and nurtured his devotees, they embody that energy and allow you to savor if and to be benefited by you. Each of these satsangs speaks of Guruji's love for his children and the many pains he took to take care of them. It is time for his children now to bear his word in mind, to honor it in speech and deed, and to besmirch his memory. The satsangs are the many leaves of the great tree of truth, each singing its song, each wrestling with faith. Enshrined in the satsangs is the devotee's love for Guruji and his for them. May it touch your heart as surely it has touched theirs. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे मालिक.